Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern futuristic house nestled in the middle of a lush forest. The structure has a sleek, curved design with large glass walls that seamlessly blend the indoors with the surrounding natural landscape. The home is elevated slightly above the ground, resting on a few strong supports, and features an expansive wooden terrace furnished with cozy lounge chairs and a low coffee table. Warm interior lighting creates a welcoming atmosphere, with visible living and dining areas inside. The rooftop is equipped with solar panels, emphasizing sustainability and eco-friendly living. A small fire pit glows near the rocks and greenery below, adding to the serene and luxurious vibe of this forest retreat. A stunning modern lakeside house with an innovative and futuristic architectural design. The structure is built with smooth, curved concrete forms, blending harmoniously into the natural rocky landscape. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows provide breathtaking views of the serene lake and surrounding forest, while allowing natural light to flood the interior spaces. The upper floor features a spacious balcony and a rooftop garden with lush greenery, adding to the eco-friendly aesthetic. On the lower level, a wide terrace extends outward, equipped with lounge chairs and a small circular seating area. The house is nestled among rocks, wildflowers, and tall pine trees, with snow-capped mountains visible in the background, creating a perfect balance between modern luxury and natural beauty. A stunning modern house with a bold, minimalist architectural design. The structure is composed of large, geometric concrete blocks stacked in an asymmetrical layout, giving it a strikingly contemporary look. Expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows wrap around the building, allowing natural light to flood the interiors and creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. On the ground level, a cozy outdoor seating area with cushioned chairs and a fire feature sits on a wooden deck, surrounded by a beautifully landscaped garden with lush greenery, flowers, and ornamental trees. The upper floors feature balconies and terraces decorated with potted plants and vibrant flowers, adding warmth and natural charm to the sleek, industrial concrete exterior. Subtle, warm lighting from inside the home enhances the inviting atmosphere, contrasting beautifully with the gray tones of the building and the misty, overcast sky in the background. This house exemplifies modern luxury living, blending raw industrial materials with elegant design and lush natural surroundings. A luxurious modern living room with a seamless connection to nature. The space features floor-to-ceiling glass walls that allow abundant natural light to flood in, offering stunning views of lush tropical greenery outside. A large, stylish sectional sofa in warm mustard yellow and neutral gray tones dominates the seating area, paired with a low wooden coffee table decorated with books and plants. The interior blends natural materials with contemporary design, exposed concrete walls, sleek black-framed glass panels, and wooden accents create a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. The TV wall is highlighted with a warm amber backlight, adding depth and coziness to the modern aesthetic. Indoor plants are strategically placed throughout the room, enhancing the connection between the interior and the surrounding garden. Upstairs, a glass-paneled balcony overlooks the space, emphasizing openness and architectural elegance. The overall design is a perfect balance of comfort, modern luxury, and harmony with nature. A stunning modern luxury villa at sunset, featuring sleek contemporary architecture with clean lines and expansive glass walls. The house is surrounded by breathtaking mountain and valley views, beautifully reflected in the large infinity pool that stretches along the terrace. The outdoor lounge area is furnished with stylish daybeds and cozy seating, blending seamlessly with the open interior spaces visible through the glass panels. Warm ambient lighting enhances the elegance of the space, while the colorful evening sky with shades of pink, purple, and orange creates a serene and dreamy atmosphere. This setting perfectly combines modern sophistication with natural beauty. A stunning modern two-story house with a striking architectural design. The exterior is built with raw concrete, creating a bold and industrial yet elegant aesthetic. Large glass windows and sliding doors open up the living spaces to the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The ground floor features a spacious open-plan layout with warm ambient lighting, a modern kitchen, and a stylish living area. Outside, a wooden deck extends from the house, furnished with comfortable outdoor sofas and tables, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. On the upper floor, sleek glass railings enclose the balconies, providing unobstructed views of the surrounding greenery. The home is surrounded by tall trees and lush plants, blending nature seamlessly with modern architecture. The overall atmosphere is warm, luxurious, and inviting, with a perfect balance between contemporary design and natural elements. Modern luxury home set against a breathtaking sunset backdrop. The house features a sleek, contemporary design with large glass walls that seamlessly connect the indoors with the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood every room. Multiple terraces and balconies are adorned with elegant outdoor furniture, creating inviting spaces for relaxation and entertainment. The ground floor opens to a spacious patio with cozy seating areas and a stylish pool, reflecting the warm glow of the evening sky. Surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking a scenic mountain and lake view, this residence perfectly blends architecture, comfort, and nature in a serene and sophisticated setting. Modern concrete and glass house nestled in a misty forest. The architecture features clean, geometric lines with large floor-to-ceiling windows that seamlessly blend the indoor spaces with the lush greenery outside. Moss, ferns, and small trees grow naturally on the roof and terraces, giving the structure an organic connection to its surroundings. Warm lighting inside contrasts with the cool, foggy atmosphere of the dense forest, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. The house seems elevated above the ground, supported by sturdy concrete foundations, making it appear as though it floats among the trees. This design beautifully harmonizes modern minimalism with the raw beauty of nature. A modern two-story house surrounded by lush greenery. The architecture features a bold use of concrete with clean, geometric lines, giving the home a sleek and contemporary appearance. Large floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors seamlessly connect the interior with the outdoor environment, allowing natural light to flood the living spaces. The upper floor includes open terraces adorned with potted plants and cozy seating areas, while the lower floor opens directly onto a spacious patio and a well-manicured green lawn. Warm, ambient lighting from inside the house creates a cozy contrast against the cool, industrial concrete exterior. The surrounding tropical plants and tall trees enhance the home's harmony with nature, making it feel like a luxurious retreat nestled in the forest. A modern eco-friendly house set in a lush natural landscape with mountains in the background. The home is designed with a unique rectangular concrete structure featuring large glass windows that open the interior to the surrounding greenery. The upper level has a rooftop garden with vibrant plants and flowers, blending the architecture seamlessly with nature. Solar panels are installed on the roof, highlighting the house's commitment to sustainability. Inside, warm lighting creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere, with visible living areas, bedrooms, and open spaces decorated with natural elements. The exterior is surrounded by rocks, shrubs, and colorful flowers, enhancing the harmony between modern design and the natural environment. This house beautifully combines contemporary architecture, eco-conscious living, and serene natural surroundings.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.